Good morning, children. Today we're going to start a next chapter from our supplementary book, Footprints Without Feet. And the name of the chapter is also The Footprint Without Feet. I know it is little bit funny as the name of the book and the name of the chapter is same. It is written by H.G. Wells and it has been taken from his novel The Invisible Man. Children, here is the introduction of the chapter Footprints Without Feet, written by H.G. Wells. H.G. Wells is a famous writer known for his science fiction Footprints Without Feet. It is also an interesting science fiction. The title of the story is quite attractive and it has been aptly chosen as the main title for his collection of stories. The present story centers around a scientist named Griffin who has invented a method whereby a man can become invisible. He experiments on himself and swallows some drugs to make his body transparent like a sheet of glass. The author narrates some episodes which take place because of his invisibility. The feelings of awe, surprise, and shock are aroused among the citizens as his invisible body moves around the city. H.G. Wells, he was a writer of this chapter, The Footprints Without Feet. His full name was Herbert George Wells. He was an English writer, prolific in many genres. He wrote dozens of novels, short stories, and works of social commentary, history, satire, biography, and autobiography. His work also included two books on recreational war games. He was born on 21st September 1866 at London, United Kingdom, and he died on 13th August 1946 in London. He wrote many short stories also and he was a great writer. Children, here is the title of the story Footprints Without Feet. The story Footprints Without Feet is about an invisible scientist whose footprints can be seen but his feet are unseen. The element of mystery inherent in the invisibility of the scientist is aptly conveyed by the title. It arouses the curiosity of the reader regarding the occurrence of footprints without feet. Thus, it encourages the reader to read the story and find out the mystery of the missing feet. The title also builds the gripping, mysterious, and interesting environment of the story that follows it. Thus, the title, Footprints Without Feet, justifiably conveys the chief elements of the story. Here is the theme of the story. The theme of the story, Footprints Without Feet, is that power without responsibility can be disastrous. The power of invisibility came to a selfish and ill tempered griffin who misused it by breaking law. He stole clothes, food, money, and hurt innocent people to escape when they tried to catch him. Hence, the story develops the idea that a man of science can have immense potential, but it can be chaotic if it is put to destructive use. All inventions must therefore be monitored and developed for the good of society and not for the benefit of any specific individual. Children, here is the message given by the writer. Through the story Footprints Without Feet, H.G. Wells wants to convey the message that absolute power corrupts and should always be given to the responsible ones only. Besides, every achievement should be accompanied by a deep sense of responsibility and commitment. The writer describes the life of Griffin to tell that scientists can make life easier and better with the help of their inventions. But if these intelligent minds fall on the destructive path, the damage caused would be immense. Here this video ends. In the second video, we'll do the summary of the chapter Footprints Without Feet, written by H.G. Wells.